The all-new Mazda MX-30 EV has been created from the ground up to meet the needs of the emerging electric vehicle market. With a 35.5 kilowatt battery, it delivers the range required for daily errands while delivering the efficiency and agility for which Mazda has become renowned. With conventional vehicles, which use gasoline or diesel fuel, it's common practice to wait until the tank is almost empty and then fill it up. However, electric vehicles can be fueled at home, work, or shopping malls, and wherever charging stations are located. In fact, that's really the best place to do that. So what are the different chargers, and where can they be found, and when should they be used? MX-30 EV owners have multiple options to stay charged. Plug in at home for Level 1 or Level 2 charging. Or if you're traveling around town, access public stations for Level 2 or Level 3 DC fast charging. A Level 1 charger utilizes a standard 120-volt AC outlet and the cable that comes with the vehicle. Level 1 AC charging is the slowest way to charge the vehicle, but having this ability means you can charge your vehicle anywhere you have access to an outlet with a minimum of 15 amps of current. The MX-30 EV charge time, with a battery level from 20% to 80% with a Level 1 charger, is approximately 14 hours. It is important to note charge times are affected by various factors, such as ambient temperatures and the condition of the battery. Level 2 AC charging is your best choice for everyday charging. Level 2 chargers are the most commonly available and are designed for both home and commercial use. They utilize a 240-volt AC setup, similar to the outlet that would be used for an electric stove. The MX-30 EV charge time, for battery level from 20% to 80% with a Level 2 charger, is approximately 3 hours. This is the most popular setup for EV owners and can be installed in your home, close to where you would park your MX-30 EV. Our My Mazda app provides the ability to program when your MX-30 EV charges. When it comes to charging on the go, you have access to one of the nation's largest networks. Mazda's partnership with ChargePoint offers a comprehensive system of services and support. Drivers can locate charging stations, check charge status, and more, all from the My Mazda app. Mazda works with ChargePoint as our approved supplier for the Canadian market. The ChargePoint HomeFlex is a 240-volt Level 2 home charger that delivers up to 50 amps of power to charge your MX-30 EV. It should be professionally installed by a licensed electrician. Use the ChargePoint app that's available on iOS and Android to make owning an EV even easier. Unlike Level 1 or Level 2 chargers, Level 3 DC fast chargers use direct current rather than alternating current. These stations are not typically found in homes. They are designed for commercial use and typically can be found in shopping mall parking lots and dedicated charging stations, as they require significantly more electricity. DC fast chargers can charge a battery from 20% to 80% in less than an hour. However, they shouldn't be used as the primary means of charging a battery, because frequent use of DC fast chargers will shorten the life of the battery. The MX-30 EV uses the CCS Combo 1 Combined Charging System connector, with the most common charging connectors for slow and fast AC charging and rapid DC charging. Charging your vehicle is as simple as plugging in the cable. Follow these steps for normal charging of your MX-30 EV. Shift the selector lever to the P position. Switch the power switch off. Remove the charge cable from the storage bag located in the rear storage area. Press to open the charge lid. Open the normal charge port cap. Connect the charge plug to the wall outlet. Connect the charge connector to the normal charge port. Charging starts after connection is completed. Once you plug in the charge cable, the green light will flash, indicating the vehicle is being charged. When the charge is complete, the light will stop flashing and eventually turn off. When charging is finished, remove the charge connector. Close the normal charge port cap. Close the charge lid and unplug the charge cable from the wall outlet. Return the charge cable to the storage bag. and tightly secure the storage bag using the 2 luggage hooks on the right side of the vehicle, with the logo facing towards the luggage compartment. Plugging in your vehicle each night ensures you start every day with the full range of the vehicle available to you.